Okay, this is the continuation of the streak plate technique that you learned, and this is the streak plate that we did in the video previously. Okay, and you can start to see that there is the first zone right here, and then I went in a couple times right here, and then I stayed out, and that's the second zone, and then I went into the third zone and came back out, and I have, you can see this, get the right angle, I have lots of cells that are colonies that do it that way. So there's you know, all these right here, and then you see one right there. And so as long as you get one individual colony, and make sure you check that it's on a line so that it's not just something that floated in as a contaminant, but this is all in the line. It looks like the other color of the bacteria. And then you can see that as I went from the first zone to the second zone to the third zone, I got way less bacteria as I drug them across the surface and dropped off more and more. And then I flamed between zones. Anyway, your goal was to get individual bacteria colonies. And so on this colony is the result of one bacteria that dropped off, and then it grew up from one bacteria to about 10 million, roughly 10 to 100 million bacteria. That's a full streak plate, and then we learned about split plates where we had half the split. And so here we have the first zone here, sterilize, came in a couple of times, stay out. We actually have some isolated colonies towards the edge here, and then we went back in again, a third zone, and then we have our individual colonies right through here. And so that one turned out really well as well. Okay. All right, so that concludes that streak plate lab. My hope, I hope against hope, but it doesn't look well, but that you will get a chance to do this in person later in the quarter. But for now, this at least gives you the knowledge base of how we are going to do the streak plates and other techniques this quarter. Okay, you can email me, email Christy, whoever, you know, start with Christy, because obviously she's your instructor, but, you know, if I can help in any way clarify some of these videos and the experiments of what we did, please feel free to give me a holler. My email at school is jdykes@wvc.edu. All right. I think that's it. Have a good day.